Want to make your text or logo pop with a glowing neon outline in CapCut? If your edits look flat and you're aiming for that eye-catching glow effect, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to add a clean, professional neon outline in just a few clicks. First step, importing your video. Let's start by importing your video from the media panel. Once it's on the timeline, duplicate the video layer so we can build the neon effect on top. Next step, adding the neon outline. Now click on Effects, search for Neon Outline, and add it to the top video layer. Then open the Adjustment tab, add an adjustment layer, and reduce the saturation to make the glow stand out more. Next step, enhancing the glow. Go back to the Effects tab and search for Edge Glow Effect. Add the edge glow to the top video layer and adjust the glow until it looks perfect. Next step, creating a compound clip. Select the top video layer and the adjustment layer together. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Next step, adding a background. Open the library, click on Background, and add any background you like. Now go to Adjust, increase the saturation, then go to the Video tab and select Linear Burn Blend Mode. Next step, pre-compounding the layers. Select the top two layers again and pre-compound them to keep everything clean. Next step, boosting the glow again. Open Effects, search for Edge Glow one more time, and add it to the compound clip. Set the blend mode to screen so the glow blends smoothly. Next step, adding neon animation. Move the playhead to the beginning of the compound clip. Create a starting keyframe for scale, then move to the end and create an ending keyframe with increased scale to animate the neon effect. Final step, fade out. Open the Animation tab, click on Out, and add a fade-out effect to the neon layer. Now play the video to see your glowing neon animation in action. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so like the video and subscribe the channel.